Hi everyone. There are many things that we love to do. We may find time for some, but not for the others. I love to draw and paint, but sometimes I would just say, but I don't have enough time to do these things. By saying that we don't have enough time, we forget that everyone has the same 24 hours and still, some people manage to do most of the things that they love to do. But how are they able to do this? Let's find out. The first way, wake up 1 hour early or sleep 1 hour late. If you really love the thing that you want to do, you can do this. You can adjust your time according to the activities. If we wake up 1 hour early than our usual waking time, we can easily find time for the neglected activities which we actually love. I know that waking up is difficult for some people. I know this because I'm one of them. So if I want to draw, paint, or write something, I do it at night. Choose the time according to your preference and convenience, and it will help you to find time. The second way to find time is examining your priorities. Ask yourself questions before doing something. Is this what I love to do? Or is this really helpful? This will help you to prioritize the things that are important. Many times we do things out of habit rather than intention. I have done things daily that are useless but are part of my habit. Breaking those habits is possible only when we carefully notice what we are doing. Asking yourself those questions is also very important. This will help you to spend your time wisely on the things that you love. Third way, spend less time on social media. I know that we hear this every day, at least most of us. Social media has become a part of us and our routine. We switch between different apps unintentionally because it has become a habit. We never realize that we can actually spend that time to do other things. If you want to limit your time on social media, you can set alarm or install apps on your device which can help you to spend less time on social media and more time on the things that you love. The fourth way is managing your attention. I've read this somewhere. Instead of focusing on time management, focus on attention management. We give our attention to many things without even realizing that they aren't actually helping us. We are easily distracted internally as well as externally. The best way to deal with these distractions is to spend some time alone and make list of things that are really important to us and the things that we actually do. This will help you to notice where you spend most of your time. Choose what is common between the two lists, what you do and what is important to you. The fifth way is to plan in advance. You can plan everything that you want to do a day before. Writing your plans can be very effective. If you write your tasks at night before sleeping, you can start working on them as soon as you wake up. So these were the methods by which I find time for the things I love. You can use the way which suits you better. According to me, the easiest way is to wake up early or sleep late because for me that's very convenient. The method that you choose can be very different from mine, but it will be helpful. I hope that these methods help you to manage the tasks that you perform. All the best! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.